Hi, welcome back to Raunix. This is Ray Bunmot from Raunixtech Services, and today we are going to discuss about our single vendor need delivery application. In this video, we are going to discuss about application features, and in the upcoming video, we are going to discuss about add-in panel, delivery application features, website features, and branch panel. Okay, so if you want to start your own meal delivery application like licious, then contact us or watch the complete video. So at the end of this video, you will be able to know how you can easily start your own meat delivery application like licious. So without wasting time, let's start the video. This is how our application look like. Let me reload the application. The application is developed using Flutter technology and the backend is on PHP Laravel with MySQL database. So you can get Android and iOS both in single code base. This is how the application look like. Okay, the application works with multi-branches features. Okay, so that means if you have multiple branches, then you can choose branches from here like that. Right now, here you can see there are two branches are listed. One is at Raunixtech services and second one is at Agra. Okay, I'm going to choose this one because it's nearby to me. Here you can see the distance kilometers and here you can see the distance kilometers from the current location. I'm going to continue with this one, and when I'm going to choose this one, this is your current branch. Already I have chosen this branch, so I cannot choose this one again. If you want to change the branch, then you can choose the another one, or you can go to back like that. Okay, here you can see my current address, and here is the search bar of the application where you can search any product. Like if you want to search chicken here. Okay, and you can search any chicken product. If there are any product available in the application, okay, then it will comes. Okay, here you can see I have just searched chicken and here are some products that is available. Okay, like 500 grams chicken, keema and all. Okay, if you want to click on any product, then you can click on like that and it will show all the available products like this. Okay, also, you can filter out the products at the search bar like here A to Z, Z to A, high to low, low to high. Okay. Also, you can filter out the product according to the pricing and according to the ratings. Okay. And also, you can filter out the products according to the categories. Okay. So, all these filters are available at search page. Now, let's go back. Let's talk about the other features. Here you can find the sliders of the application. You can add unlimited sliders from the admin panel and you can give any link to the sliders. Okay. After that, category section are there. Here you can see the categories. Right now we have added 8 categories. If you have more than 8, then it will be slided like left to right. Okay. Right now you can see the chicken, mutton, liver and more categories are there. Okay. You can add any other categories. Also, the application supports subcategories as well. Suppose you have main category as chicken and subcategories like this. You can have a subcategories like this. Okay, and when you click on any category, then this page will open, and like this, the product listed will be there. Okay, so I'm going to go back and explaining all other features of the application. So after the category section, you can find out the best sellers product. Okay, here you can see the best sellers products in the application, and after that you can choose the nearby branches. If you want to change the branch, okay, then you can do it from here as well. And here you can see all items or all food nearby you. And here we have added a design pattern like grid or list view. Also, you can filter out the products like popularity basis, low to high, and high to low. Okay. And if you want to visit any product, then you can click on the product like this. Okay. And it would look something like that. Okay. Here you can see the biryani cuts and all. Here you can define the product name and product description. And there are some variations like body part, leg part, and both, and some other optionals are there. Okay, if you want to choose any of the variation, then you can choose like that. Okay, and you can click on add to cart to continue to buy the product. When you click on add to cart, it will add it to the cart, and you can check all the details at cart page. So I'm going to cart page, and here you can see the branch. The selected branch is this, and it's showing the estimated time of the delivery for the product. It will take approximately 13 minutes to 23 minutes to deliver the product. If you want to increase or decrease the quantity, then you can do it from here. If you have any uh, product that you want to add, then you can do it from here. Okay, you can add any products like this from the cart page as well. You can choose any variations like this. Okay, and you can continue the cart. And when you visit the cart page, it will be added into the cart. Here you can see now this product is also added to the cart. And here you can find out the frequently bought items with these items. Okay, and after that you can apply the coupons code. If you have any coupons, then you can apply coupons from here. Right now we don't have any coupons. The coupons also can be managed from the admin panel. Admin can add coupons, delete coupons, or can edit the coupons. Okay, right now here you can see the pricing details: item price, tax price, add-on price, discounted price, coupon discount, or total amount. Right now I'm going to proceed with the same details. And before making purchase, it will ask you to create a account or log in into new account. If you don't want to create an account or you don't want to log in the existing account, then there is an option for guest. You can also place an order as a guest. Okay, the same process will be there, but the details will be visible at the guest account. Okay, only. Okay, so I'm going to log in first. So here you can see the login page. It will be like when you enter any mobile number, it will generate an OTP, and OTP will be triggered from the application and it will be on your mobile number. Okay, and here you can see the continue with the Google. That is also available in our application. If you don't want to do that, then you can continue with the guest. Let me try to place an order according to the guest. Okay, in the guest model, you can place an order. Let me show you. So here you can see the product is added to cart right now, and I'm going to place an order as a guest account. Okay, so I'm going to continue with the guest account, proceed to checkout, continue as a guest. Okay, so here you can see you have to add an address of the delivery. Right now you must have to give a name of the person that is going to take the order. Okay, and also you need to give a mobile number for that person, so delivery boy and the admin can contact if there any issue in the delivery. Okay, here you can see the name and the number. After that, we need to add the address. What kind of address it is, like home address, workplace address, or any other address. Okay, I'm going to continue with the home address and going to take my current location like this. It's take my current location, and I'm going to give an address, street name, Raunix Tech Services. Okay, like that. House number, you can give anything. Like I'm going to give 105 or 6, and floor number, first floor. Okay, and save the default address. Continue. Here you can see we have successfully added the address. If you want to change the address, then we can click on the change button and we can change our address. Right now there is an option for home delivery or takeaway. Okay, here you can see the delivery charges will showing 0 rupees because the charges is controlled by the admin panel. And takeaway fee also there. Like if you want to take away to uh, take the product from the store, then you can choose the takeaway. But I want the home delivery, so I'm going to continue with the home delivery features. And here you can see the preference time for the order. If you want to get the order ASAP, as soon as possible, so you can choose ASAP. If you want to select um, the time for 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Okay, so order will be delivered within this time frame. If you want to schedule the order for tomorrow, then you can choose the order time for tomorrow as well. But I want the order for today and ASAP. Okay, so I'm going to select this option. And after that, here you can see the payment options. And the payment option you can get cash on delivery, Vcash, Paymount, Flutterwave, Pay Offline, and Razor Pay, Phone Pay. All other payment gateways are there. I'm going to continue with the cash on delivery right now. Okay, and going to select the payment method. And if you want to give any additional note, okay, then you can give here. Like I want press it but fast. Okay, like that you can give any note to the delivery boy or to the admin. So when a delivery person going to deliver this order to you, it will be show at a delivery page. Okay, and also it can be visible in the admin panel as well. So here you can see the order details here as well. Okay, I'm going to place an order. Here you can see our order is successfully placed. You can track the order by click on track order button. Okay, and here you can see the order is placed. Once the order is confirmed by the admin panel, the order will be confirmed, and when order is going to be prepared, then it will be processing. And when the order is prepared and ready to hand over, then it will be preparing for handover. And when the order is assigned to the delivery boy, then our order will be like out for delivery, and once the order is delivered, then it will be order delivered. Okay, and here you can see the time of the delivery. It's showing 7 minutes to 12 minutes, and here is the order ID you can see. Okay, now let's go back. If you want to track your order, as you don't have any account right now, you have placed an order as a guest. Okay, then how you can track the order? So what you can do, you just need to go to track your order. Okay, and here you need to put your order ID and your mobile number, and you can easily track your order. Okay, so for that what you need to do, firstly you need to copy that or remember the order ID, then only you can track the order. Okay, let's talk about the other features of the application, that is uh, wishlist feature. Okay, before making wishlist any item, you must have to log in or register. Here you can see the button will be for wishlist features. Okay, if you want to add any product and to the wishlist, then you can click on heart button, but you have to log in or register first to use this feature. Okay, let's talk about other features. If you want to check your orders, then you can log in into this section and you can check your previous orders. Or if you want to check all other features of the application, then you can click on the menu button and where you can find all other features. Let's talk about the sign in and login features. If you want to log in or sign up in the application, then here you can see you just need to enter your mobile number and it will trigger an OTP that will be comes on your mobile number, and you can enter it. If you are a new user, then it will ask you to create an account. If you are existing user or returning user, then it will allow you to log in the account. Okay, let's go back. So we can test all of the features of the application. Here you can see the rest features of the application is in the menu part. Let's discuss about that. So after that login page, you can find out then another option is dark mode or light mode. Okay, if you want to change the mode of the application, then you can change it from here like this. Okay, so this is the feature that is available in our application. If you want a person you want to use application in dark mode, then they can click on this feature and it will be in dark mode. Let's talk about the wallet features. Here you can see the wallet feature is also there in the application, and loyalty point feature. How the features will work? If a person want to place an order from wallet money, then they can recharge their wallet via the payment gateway. Okay, and they can place an order via the wallet money. How the loyalty points work? When you place an order, okay, then you will get some loyalty points, and the loyalty points can be controlled from the admin panel at how much percentage amount you will get an loyalty point for a order, that can be controlled from the admin panel. Here is my profile section. You need to check the profile section. You must have the login in the application. After that, my orders, order details, notifications, QR scan. You can scan the QR with the camera. Right now we are using simulator, so simulator doesn't support the camera based features. Okay, so when you click on QR scan, it will open your camera and you have to scan your QR that can be generated from the admin panel, and that QR will be for particular branch. Okay, you can add your addresses, you can check your messages, coupons, refer and earn features. The refer and earn features also can be controlled from the admin panel. In the refer and earn features, like when a person refer to another person, then both or one person will get a referral amount, and that amount can be controlled from the admin panel. Okay, like how much amount they will get once a referral will done at the first time purchase. Okay, the person will get only the referral amount when they purchase something from the application. Here you can see the language page. Right now we have added only two language, English and Telugu. If you want to add any other language like Hindi, English, Tamil, Telugu, Bengali, Gujarati, any other language, then we can add it from our side. Okay, you just need to tell what kind of language you want in the application. Okay, after that, some other pages like help and support, privacy policy, terms and conditions, refund policy, and return policy, cancellation policy, about us, and login page. Okay, so this is how our single vendor meat delivery application works. Okay, if you want to start your own meat delivery application like Licious, then you can contact us. Details showing on your screen, and we will see you in next video. Thank you.